Hi guys, my name is Stefania. Welcome to my channel. So today, I don't know how I'm going to start this video. So we are going to do a review of the Jaclyn Hill Vault Collection. As you guys know, it was sent out first a few months ago, and then a lot of people in PR were saying like these are not great, and then they said that, you know, it was not pressed right, and they reformulated them and then put them back on the market. So I purchased my palette through Morphe. I was super excited about it. I was just like, you know, I'm not gonna believe the hype where people are like, it's patchy, it's this, because people love to be negative, you know? No one gives things a fair shot anymore. I feel like, for the most part on YouTube, like not everybody, of course, but a lot of people, you know, because people love to watch hate videos. Apparently that's what's going on now. So, and I'm more just like, I love makeup, I'm over here like, I just like to put pretty things, I like shiny things, right? So anyways, this is gonna be more, I've already filmed the video and I wanted to just kind of talk about it a little bit more. I think I'm just gonna have clips inserted here and there of me actually using the palette in one of these corners, and we'll talk about the palettes. But please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and we will get right into the video. Okay, so really quickly, let's go through the palettes. So this one is, so you can buy these individually for like 15 bucks, I believe. And then all four was $49. So I ordered off the Morphe website. If you do it in Ulta, you can't get the discount. So that's why I decided to do it from Morphe. And now that there's Morphe store, in case I am unhappy, I can go there. But yes, each little palette looks like this. So it's kind of nice because you can take it with you to travel rather than having to bring everything if you just are attracted to one of the palettes. So this one is, where does it say it? Okay, so each one has the name on it. I wish it was a little bit bigger because I mean, I know she said like they're different colors, but you can't see that. Like, it's not like I look at this and say like, oh, this one has different color, you know, confetti than this one. Like, if I look really closely, but if I was reaching for it, you know, probably gonna get confused. That's all I'm saying. So this one is Ring the Alarm. And that is what she looks like. So we'll just go through the shades real quick. I'm not going to do a whole bunch of swatches since they are already everywhere. I kind of want to just get this on my eyeballs. This one is Bling Boss. This one looks really pretty. I mean, like, first impressions looking at it though, I'm kind of like wanting to swatch these three shimmer. Let's do that. I don't want to wait. Just because they look super similar. Okay. All right, they're going on differently. See, so there's just swatch of the three purples, because I was like, in the pans, I was like, why do these three look the same? Why? But no, they're different, so that's good. This one is Armed and Gorgeous. That's got some pretty hues in there. I really like, I know that VIP is supposed to be a really good color. Let's go ahead and swatch that one. After I said I wasn't going to do swatches. But that's nice and bright. I like that. And then you have the last one, which is Dark Magic. This one kind of scares me a little bit. Just because there's not a lot of shades in here that I would usually use. You guys know my feelings about blues. I don't love them. But Potion is definitely a color that I like. So let's go ahead and swatch that. It's actually a little darker than I thought. So that is Potion. But I like those types of greens. I don't like green, but I like poo color green for some reason. I don't know why. And let's watch Poof to see if it shows up. Yeah, it does. So that's Poof, that cream shadow. So I'm gonna just kind of lay these out and I'm gonna zoom you in and we are gonna figure it out. Okay, so I'm just gonna kind of talk about stuff. I'll kind of put the pictures of me blending everything out here. I just sounded super bitchy in the video because I was so excited to get this, and it was, I mean, they're 49 bucks, you get the four, so I, you know, talked through all the information. That's why everything's in different clips. Sorry, but I have been a huge supporter of Jaclyn Hill, even though, you know, she doesn't post that much. I think the bigger YouTubers get, the less I'm interested in watching. I don't know if you guys feel the same way, but it just doesn't come off the same way. They don't feel like my friends. They feel a little bit more like the popular girl that in high school and I was just never that. So that could just be me. I'm not saying I've never met her. I don't know. She could be really nice. I'm not talking about her specifically. But I felt like when she swatched the palettes, they are completely different from the one I got. You guys will see me kind of apply. I'm gonna put a clip in here of me actually applying the shades. I do want to see what this shade Berry Treasure does, because that shade looks really pretty. I'm gonna do a swatch of that. Yes. So I don't know if you guys can see all the like glitter reflex in that. I don't even know how to explain it. It's not a black. It has like a hint of like, I think it's black with like purple glitter. So we are gonna take that, but I just wanna do the outer corner with it. I don't wanna do too much. And I'm still taking it on a flat brush. Definitely fall out with this palette. Definitely fall out. Which is not, it's okay. I already did my concealer, but it's okay. It's just, I'm gonna fix that after. Okay, I really wet the brush. It's not happening with this shade. Like, let's try with my finger. It's a little bit better, but it's not great. I'm gonna add an Access, which is that yellow shade, and try to kind of fix the blending, because now everything's kind of just a mess. Okay, that did not do much. As you guys can see, like, I mean, I used that yellow shade and really it's not helping my situation too much. Let's maybe try Framed. I'll use a different brush again. Framed is this dark shade. Okay, I'm just going to take this off. I don't want to do the other eye like this. Like, literally, I spent 10 minutes and I don't even like it. Like, I mean, I feel like I didn't really get much out of this at all. That's how I feel right now. So after watching that, you guys see what I mean? Like, the shades just aren't blending. They just weren't blending the way I wanted them to. They were patchy. I couldn't get a good look out of it. And I just didn't want to, you know, when I did the review and then I was like, do I post this? Do I not? Like, I sound like a bitch in this video because I'm like, I was genuinely like, I spent a lot of money on it, but not even that. It's just more like, you know, you get excited and you trust somebody and you're like, what is this? And I don't think she meant to do it. I really think that she had good intentions with trying to reformulate and fix it, but then it still just didn't come out the way it should have. So I'm giving her a pass on it. I literally just bought the Morphe Jaclyn Hill brush collection. I actually exchanged my Vault collection. That's why I'm not doing any swatches in this video, because I was like, I'm not keeping this. Like, as much as I was like, should I keep this so that I can have comparisons or really try to make it work? But I'm gonna give myself a little credit here. Like, I do my makeup pretty frequently and I'm just like, this didn't work. Like, I have to do a lot to make this work, or I'll use like very simple like 4 colors, like rather than I usually take like 6 different colors on my top lid, you know? They just weren't blending the way I wanted them to blend. And so I decided, like, no, money means something to me. I don't have a lot of it, and I'm really trying to grow my channel, and it just didn't, I was just like, I can't just keep products like that, you know what I mean? I feel bad saying that, but it's true. That is the truth. You know, so I overall don't recommend that palette, the Vault palettes. If you know, if you still like them, that's great. Or maybe you got a great batch. And I feel like that's a lot of people. It's like some people were like, mine is incredible, it works fine. Mine was not like that. There were certain shades that were great, and then there were certain shades that I felt were truly just very patchy and just did not blend well. And I just couldn't afford the price to keep it. And then also just, yeah, it just kind of turned me off from it. Like I was like, oh, I can exchange it and see if a new one is better, but it's a 45-minute drive. Like, it is not worth the hassle. I still absolutely love her giant palette. This was so different. These feel so creamy. They blend so well. When I am testing out the Morphe Jaclyn Hill brushes, I used this palette specifically because I still really love this palette. And I would recommend this to any new makeup people, any new, or even just someone who wants like an overall great rounded palette. This will probably forever be one of my favorite palettes. I reach for it more than almost any other palette. So it is my travel palette. Cannot say enough good things. The shades are nice and creamy and buttery. There's no patchiness or skipping. The fallout also on the Vault Collection there was definitely some fallout, which fallout doesn't bother me that much. It's fine, I can just dust it away. But it was just like that, with the fact that they weren't blending, it was just a whole mess. Like, I've never been so frustrated filming a video ever. So I hope that doing this little part makes it sound that I'm not just bashing Jaclyn Hill, because I still really love her and I still support her, obviously, or else I wouldn't have bought these brushes. If you guys have not checked out that video, then you can go back and watch that. That will be my last video that was up. I'm sounding froggy here. Not because, you know, my mouth is dry because I'm talking shit. But yes, if you guys were waiting for that review, I'm sorry that I didn't keep it long enough. I just wanted the brushes more than I wanted to do another look or try to figure it out. But yeah, I think during that video I took off my makeup like 3 times because I was just like, no, nope, nope. Like, it just wasn't happening. It just was not my day, apparently, and just not what I held my standards to when it came to her other palette. So they're only 15 bucks a piece. So if there's one that you're really looking at and you're like, you know, it's okay for you, and that's, you know, 15 is change, then, you know, you might be fine, because some of them swatched beautifully. It was just, as a whole, I was just really turned off by it. So I hope this kind of helps people that were trying to decide. I will, you know, try to figure out how to mesh this so that you guys can really get a good idea. But yeah, I just realized how negative and pissy I was in that video. More just because I was sad that it didn't work, you know, like I was just like, I was rooting for you and you let me down. But you know, it's makeup. At the end of the day, it's makeup. So anyways, though, I hope that that was useful. I hope that this is useful. If you have any questions about the palettes, then let me know, or, you know, let me know your guys' opinion. Like, did you guys get great palettes, and where did you get them from? I ordered from Morphe, and then I went to the store and turned them in, and even the Morphe associate was like, yeah, we've had a lot of returns even on the, you know, with this actually coming out. Like, she's like, they are not her first palette. So even the employees were like, yeah, I'm not gonna lie to you either, it's not what we thought it was gonna be. So I think that says a lot. I appreciate their honesty for sure. And yeah, I think that is it. That's all I'm gonna say. But yes, I did take mine back. But if you guys want to see my review of her brushes, then tune into the next video. But thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know your guys' thoughts, opinions, all that good stuff. If you guys agree with anything I said in this video, or are you like, eh. But hopefully you appreciate my honest opinion. And I will see you guys in the next video, I hope. Please don't forget to subscribe, and have a good weekend. Bye, guys. Peace.
Are we dreaming? Are we dreaming?